Maniniwala ba kayo kung sabihin ko mahihain talaga ako ng bata? Hi guys, Takara here. And ngayon, may speaking engagement ako sa San Mateo Pet Festival nila or Petstival, if you didn't know. I've been actually vlogging for around 10 years already. And one thing that I am thankful sa pag-vlog is the skill of impromptu speaking and public speaking. Bakit? Ever since bata ako, if you didn't know, sobrang mahihain ko. Ako yung tipo ng bata na pag nilagay mo sa stage, iyak na lang, maninigas, or kaya kulang na lang maihi. Ganun ako. Eventually, due to vlogging, university started to invite me to talks, seminars, to introduce what vlogging is. Kasi that time, it was something new and people were curious about it. And I took the chance. I was always saying, yes, yes, yes. Sa Diliman, nakapag-talk na ako sa LB, LaSalle, until umabot sa point na ngayon in my professional life, I got the chance to be a speaker rin. Yung about creating content for your clinic. Big deal sa akin kasi it's a big jump from social media to general audience or yung mga students to professionals. And then they also invite me to pet festivals. Dati nung bata ako, ayoko talaga. Napansin ko, bakit ganun? Parang palagi akong nilalagay sa sitwasyon na ganun. Yung mga events na I need to speak. Ngayon, na-realize ko, it was preparation for something bigger. Biggest asset ko ngayon is my voice. At I needed that exposure para mag-improve sarili. So, ano bang lesson dito sa video na to? Don't be too frustrated or too disappointed with yourself kung hindi mo kaya ngayon. Isipin nyo na lang that you're planting a seed. And that seed needs time to grow. It needs nourishment, sunlight, water, good soil, fertilizer. So, all those experiences were factors para sa pag-improve ko. I wouldn't say I'm the best, but from before, ang laki ng improvement ko. From dati na nanginginig to someone who is confident at kapag nasa stage na, naka-on switch na agad and then confident enough to speak in front of a lot of people. So, yun lang. Just a food for thought. Lalo sa mga estudyante dyan na nalulungkot, nadidismaya kasi ang dami nilang pagkakamali. It's okay. It's better to make those mistakes or embarrass yourself kapag nagpa-practice ka pa lang instead of kapag nasa practice ka na or nandun ka na. Don't forget guys, to consult your veterinarian.